Okay, so it is done. I love the color. Look at that. Yes, giving off some beigey tones that I like. All cool and stuff. So let me get it on. Yes, like it looks a little lionish right now, but look at that. Look at the tones. Look at the tones. Yes, you can't go wrong. Look at the tones. Okay, so let's put this on. Okay, so I'm going to be doing our glueless products, the Boho Liquid Gold and the Boho Lace Jelly. So what I'm gonna do, guys, so since this lace jelly is new, we've shown you the liquid gold, I'm actually gonna do the liquid gold on one side and the Boho lace jelly on the other side. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wipe my skin because I have my makeup on, not looking like Godzilla. So I want to just wipe off a little bit of the makeup before I apply. Okay, so before I put my wig on, I want to oil my scalp, and I want to tell y'all something about that too. Alright, so don't judge these set it off braids, but I want to oil my scalp. And when I oil my scalp, I'm using my 333 hair oil by Flamboyant Touches. I'll put her information below. It is so nice, like it has the herbs in here. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna oil my scalp. This is the one thing I want to tell y'all about oil. Whether you're using glue, whether you're using a non-glueless products, like don't get it all down, you know, don't get it all down here. Like I'm gonna tilt my head back and oil my scalp. Because any type of oils, and that's another reason why I say stay away from your hair, is because it's oil coming out of those follicles and it will make it lift. Okay, so I know like the question is going to be which one is better? Which one is better? Okay, so it's not a matter of which one is better. I think that it's going to be, you know, kind of like left up to you guys to see which one you prefer, or they can be used together, and I'm going to show you that as well. Okay, so the lace jelly dries slower than the liquid gold, so that may be something that you may want to consider. It's up to you. I like them both, you know, so I don't have like a which one is better. Like I like them both. They're both glueless products. You can remove them daily or you can wear it for a couple days. Okay, so to get started like we did with the liquid gold, I'm gonna go in with the Skin Protect. You don't have to do the Skin Protect, especially if you know you're gonna take it off, you know, when you get home at night, but we are getting a lot of amazing reviews from people saying that when they do the Skin Protect, it lasts longer. So let's just go ahead and put the Skin Protect on. Okay, so dry on warm air, guys, just for a couple seconds, just to get it a little tacky, not totally dry. Then you're gonna lay the lace on top. Try not to do a lot of touching because the gel is drying and that could make it turn white as well. So you can use your rat tail comb to press those edges in, or you can go back and do them after you get the wig secured. So now I'm going to dry with warm air again. I'm drying it to secure it, making sure it holds, and I'll worry about doing like the baby hair later. I don't want to do a whole lot of touching and pushing it in. You can do that with using your scarf to tie it down to, you know, melt it or whatever. But right now I just want to place it. Okay, so if you notice, I do have some areas that are up. I'm not worried about those right now. But if you look closer, you don't see any whiteness because I really don't do a lot of touching while I'm drying. If you feel like your lace is too light, like the good thing about the glueless. Like you can spray the tint on there, or you can do makeup while it's on. So this little part right here, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll get that down. You can go right in front of it. That's a good thing, and it's so easy to wipe off. Okay, so I even have one here where I didn't, like, I just kind of like just sat it on there. And if that happens, like, you could just always go in and add. You can also use you can use a spoolie, or you can use like any type of like small tooth comb to do your baby hair. It's totally up to you. I just use, most times I just use whatever, like a rat tail comb is fine too. But I know a lot of people, it's easier for them to use these. And we will have some of these on our website. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do my baby hair with the lace jelly on this side too, just to do it. This hole is so Make sure you subscribe, follow, and turn your post notifications on to get all of my tips and tricks.